Sebakhululile kanti futhi abakhona nekuvikela. Lempunga hulumende leminyaka le-68 lekungmaka iphinze bengigogo ingilumnya abantu lesebakhululile abahlukunyetwako. Uthi sowafa kushaya ngumtulo wakhe wemfanelo leminyaka le-19.
Oggend as hy opstaan, dan as hy iets vra en daar is miskien nie of daar is niks.
When he wakes up and asks for something and we don't have, then he throws things around. He has broken my doors and windows. When I talk to him, he swears at me. He wants his demands met now. You can't say no.
Alles wat hulle vra moet daar wees nou. Jy kan nie sê jy het niks nie.
Noma kunjalo kakhona ukumthathela tinyathelo letiqinile.
Ek meen ek het hom van 3 jaar groot gemaak tot nou toe. As jy 'n lekker gevoel het. Ha?
I have raised him since he was 3. This is really painful because as a grandmother, I don't want to throw him out. But the way he treats me, it makes me want him in jail or in a juvenile center. But it's difficult.
Verharte jou nader aan so laat jy voel nee dat die kind maar tronk toe gaan.
Tinyendi tigameko letifana naleti.
The community-based care and support services are closed due to COVID now. So most older persons are at home now. So they are experiencing a lot of abuse because it happens in the family through the adult children in the family. It can also be spouses in the family. So they are experiencing that because they cannot talk to anyone.
Litiko letenhlalakahle lisemandlalo mancane njengoba linqalisile balingete abantu abadzala abahlukunyetiwe.
We provide the psychosocial services. We also encourage to lay criminal charges because this is a criminal offense. The problem that we have is that unfortunately the department cannot make the charge on behalf of the person being abused. The person or the abused person will make the charge and then later on withdraw these charges because it's the family, it's the child.
Litiko litsiliati kutsi manyende macala ehlukunyetwa kubantu abakhulile emphakathini langabikwa. Emulungu emphakathi ayicela ukuthi amacala afana lawo awubika amaphoyiseni noma etikhungweni letintathu lahlukene emphakathini.